Hey guys, good evening. This is Prasad Griraj. I welcome you for day 10 of our Mind Mastery program. So, this is a 30-day Mind Mastery program which we are conducting, and this is day 10. So, if you're someone who is following us, if you're someone who is watching us live or watching us after the live session, post live session, thank you for watching us. Um, I wish that you continue to watch the videos or actively participate by commenting your questions so that you know what I would be glad to respond to you. I will be happy to hear from you directly, right? So I encourage you to listen to these videos again and again because you know what, it is not something which mind mastery is not something which you can achieve in one day. It takes time. Okay, so without further delay, let me quickly get into the session. So today we're going to talk about golden rules of life. Okay, there are a lot of things, so I'm going to talk about five rules here, five golden rules. Now, because we just have 10 minutes to talk about, there are lots of nuggets of truth. There are a lot of things which we can talk about, but in 10 minutes, I think I decided I will only speak about five golden rules. All right, here is rule number one. Okay, you become what you think. Please understand this is a very important truth of life. This is a golden rule. You become what you think about. What is your thought? What is your thinking? What are you engaging yourself? Yesterday we spoke about removing negative thoughts, right? Now I gave some strategies. I gave you some steps, practical steps to implement or remove or get rid of negative thoughts. Now this is a profound thing. As a man thinks, so is he. You are what you are today because that is what you've been thinking about you in the past. You've been thinking about you. So if you think you have not arrived, you're not in a place which you would like to, yeah. Now I encourage you to think about, consider your thoughts, what kind of thoughts you are having in your life. Are they positive thoughts or are they negative thoughts? Are they constructive thoughts or they destructive thoughts? What are you thinking about yourself? Your thoughts are not going to affect others, rather, your thoughts are going to affect you. You become what you think day in and day out. If you occupy your mind with positive thoughts, eventually you will have positive things in your life. If you're going to engage your mind with negative thoughts, and that is how your life will turn out to be. You become what you think about. That's rule number one. Okay, golden rule one. Let's look at the golden rule two. Okay, this is a dialogue from Kung Fu Panda. This is from the movie Kung Fu Panda. I like this. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. Today is a gift, and that's why it's called present. Amazing it is it? Your yesterday is gone. Don't live on your past. Don't live in your past. Your yesterdays are history, they're gone. Living in the past is going to give you regrets. Let me repeat, living in the past is going to give you regrets. Living in the tomorrow is going to give you anxiety. If you're always thinking about your future, worried about your future, if you're only, that's going to give you, if you're anxious about your future, that is going to give you anxiety. So don't live in the past because you're going to feel, you're going to regret all the time. And if you're going to live, I'm sorry, if you're going to live in the future, thinking about your tomorrow, remember that's a mystery and that is going to cause you anxiety. But live every day, live the moment. That is a gift, and that's why it's called a present. Enjoy your moment. Be mindful of the present. Be mindful of the now. Now is reality. Yesterday is gone. You don't know what will happen the next moment. Now is reality. Live in the present. Remember this. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is mystery. Today is a gift, and that's why it's called a present. Right? Now, the third rule, the best form of education is self education. The best form of education is self education. Yeah, most of you watching us are all educated people, your engineers, your graduates, your professors. Yeah, most of us watching us now are educated people. But then your formal education may or may not will help you. But your self-education is going to help you. Your self-education will always help you. Yeah, consider Graham Bell, consider Thomas Alva Edison, consider Isaac Newton, consider Steve Jobs, consider Bill Gates. All these people, though they had formal education, what set them apart? What made them renowned? What differentiated them from other people who studied along with them was their self education, what they taught themselves to. Yeah. So self now I'm a coach now, but I'm an engineering graduate. I'm into learning and development. I'm into helping people to grow, be their best at work, be their best in life. But I don't have a formal education on that. My formal education is engineering. But now I'm into helping people because that is what I taught myself. That is what I self educated, I graduated in by myself. So, the best form of education, I'm not saying formal educations are worst, but then the best form of education is always self education. What you teach to yourself is what is going to make you unique and different from others. Right? Okay, the next rule, if you don't know where to go, you can go anywhere. Amazing, isn't it? And that anywhere is not a desired destination. Okay? If you don't know if you don't know where to go, you can go anywhere, and that anywhere is not a desired destination. This talks about having goal, having a purpose in life, right? Where do you want to arrive? What do you want to achieve in life? Are you someone who is carefree? Or are you someone without dreams and visions? Are you without a purpose? Right? It's okay to be like that because if you like to go anywhere, and get lost. But if you want to arrive somewhere, then you need to have a destination, and that will be desired. Otherwise, you'll end up in an undesired destination, and what will you have in life is only regret. So if you don't want to have regret in your life, and at the end of your life, when you turn back and when you look at your memories, I'll give you an example. So when I graduated from engineering, yeah, I moved to Chennai and I was working in IT company. So now IT enabled services company. So I went home on my holidays, and I went home. I was going through my photo albums. Now I was visiting memories. And when I looked at my college pictures, I was not happy. I regretted looking at those pictures. You know why? Because I did not enjoy college. I could have enjoyed, I could have had fun, but I did not enjoy college, right? And that did not give me a good memory. Yeah. So that was not a desired destination, I'm telling you. Know your purpose. When you know your purpose, you'll enjoy arriving at the place. Otherwise, you will not enjoy it. Okay, now, very important lesson in life. Be fixed on your goals, but be flexible on how you get there. Okay, let me explain this to you. There is a difference between work and job. Work is who you are, what are you capable of, and what you want to achieve in life. When you decide a career path, that is work. But then when you're going in that career path, when you're working in that career path, you have some breaks. You take some short-term assignment. For example, let me explain you. Yeah, I'm a trainer, okay, and that's what my work is because I don't toil. I enjoy that. That's why I call it as work. But then I get some other assignments at work, right? I have been a customer experience manager. I have been a operation manager, right? But they are all jobs for me. A break because that is what is required of me in the organization. So I take it up and work on that. But then my goal is always helping people, making best people the best version. And that I do being in the learning and development domain, right? So I take up the temporary assignment, that's a job, but then I'm always focused on my goal, that is the work. And that is what I have decided to have a career path in, right? So you can have a fixed goal, but be flexible on how you get there. Don't be too stringent to know. Take the Google Map. Google Map always gives you two, three alternate routes, okay? And they don't give you one route. They always give you two, three alternates. Now they suggest two, three alternate routes to reach your destination, your goal, okay? So be flexible, but not very firm in reaching your goal. Yeah, be very firm in reaching goal, but be very flexible how you reach there. Okay. All right. So I've given you 5 rules in life. Let me recap it very quickly. Okay. First one, you become what you think about. Take care of your thinking. 2, live the present. Live in the now. Don't live in the past. Don't live for the future, but live for the now. Live in the present. Then educate yourself. Learn something new. Become a master of something. Educate yourself. Right? 3, okay? Fix your destination. have a goal, okay? And then be flexible with your goal. How you reach your goal, not with your goal, but be flexible about how you reach your goal. All right. So thank you for tuning in today. Thank you for listening to me patiently. Right. Tomorrow we're going to meet with another topic. Yeah, I'm eager. I'm here to help you out. Leave your comments. Leave your comment, leave your questions in the comment section. And if you want some help, I'm there to help you out. We'll reach out to you. All right, guys. Thank you. Have a wonderful evening. God bless you.